March 9th, 1497, Nicholas Copernicus gives the first recorded astronomical observation of the moon, passing in front of the star Aldebaran. Between 1499 and 1501, Copernicus gave a few lectures on astronomy and mathematics in Rome, observing a lunar eclipse while he was there. 1522, Martin Luther begins preaching his Invocavit sermons in the German city of Wittenberg, reminding citizens to trust God's word rather than violence, and thus helping to bring a close the revolutionary stage of the Reformation. 1864, Ulysses S. Grant is appointed commander of the Union Army. 1931, the electron microscope is invented. German physicist Ernest Ruska is credited with the invention of the microscope. His first instrument allowed a resolution of 50 nanometers. 1945, 334 U.S. B-29 superfortresses attacked Tokyo with 120,000 firebombs. 1959, the Barbie doll goes on sale. The American toy company Mattel claims that more than 1 billion Barbies have been sold so far, with about 3 dolls being sold every second. 1961, Ivan Ivanovich, a human dummy, travels into space. On its test flight on board the Soviet spacecraft Sputnik 4, the mannequin was accompanied by a dog, reptiles, mice, and guinea pigs. 1976, the deadliest cable car accident in history occurs in Italy, where 43 people died when the cable car plunged 160 feet to the ground after steel cable was snapped. The only survivor was a 14-year-old Alessandra Piovasavana. 1981, Dan Rather becomes primary anchorman of CBS TV News. 2011, the Space Shuttle Discovery completes its final mission. The shuttle touched down at Kennedy Space Center in Florida after its journey to the International Space Station. 2022, talk about late charges. The stolen notebooks belonging to naturalist Charles Darwin, including his famous Tree of Life sketch, are mysteriously returned after 22 years to the Cambridge University Library. These are just a few of the things that have happened today, March 9th in history. This has been Mr. Scott with Today in History. Thanks for watching.